How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Now, in this video, I'm talking about alien words TLM coin, guys. Now, I will share all of you TLM coin price prediction, price update, guys, in this video. And now, TLM going to hit a $1 Is it right? Let's start the video, guys. But before starting this video, please, guys, make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and update videos, guys. The right now price of TLM in the market is about 0.1607 USD. That is right now price of TLM. And guys, furthermore, if we study the changes update of TLM, so positive 1.23% changes occur in the TLM coin, guys. Very good changes occur in the TLM, guys. Saying now possibilities, guys, that TLM are going to hit a $1, guys. Furthermore, guys, if you look the latest update, so you can see trading volume in last 24 hours is about 12% positive. It's mean, guys, that now a lot of people are investing in a TLM coin and possibilities that for a long time continue this pump. Same like that 1.10% free diluted market cap positive and same market cap positive, guys. So now everything, guys, is going positive in the market, guys, and you can see it from a price chart. Obviously, now in the right now situation, the price are going in the dumping, but in the previous time just took here the price very highly pump, guys, and now again possibilities, guys, now the price falls, so that's not mean then you decide to sell. I recommend that it's time to hold, guys, because now it is an end of month. That's why the price jump for a short time. Possibilities at the beginning of October the price will take quick jump, guys, so that's why I recommend for holding, guys. Anyways, what is your prediction, what is your update? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel.